Hi, it's Dave Millay here from ShareAndLearn.com, and today I'm going to help you set up your Fast Start template so you can start sharing the GrooveFunnels free offer and making some commissions if that's something that you'd like to do. Now, when I first started taking people to the GrooveFunnels page, what I noticed is that they weren't really clear on why they were there. The page is great at selling the benefits of the GrooveFunnels free plan, but there's no context as to why they're there. And I had to provide that context for them. So what I decided to do was to create a template that explained to people why they were on the page. So the Fast Start template is a professional template that I created, and on the one that sent you to this page, it will either be my picture or whoever it was who sent you to this web page. Their picture will have been on a template that explained to you why you're here and what the benefits are of registering for the GrooveFunnels free plan. By having a friendly face and knowing who it is who sent you to this web page, you get a context that gives you some comfort, and you know you can go ahead and register for this and realize that it's a genuine offer, that it came through someone you know, and you understand the benefits of why you're here. So all of that's done with the Fast Start template. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hand over to my technical manager, Nalman. And what he's going to do is step you through how you take the Fast Start template and you personalize that for yourself. And then you'll be able to send people that you know to here through your own personal invitation. So I'll hand over to Nalman now.
All right, thanks, Dave. Hello, people. My name is Noman, and I'm going to show you today how you can migrate this Fast Start template to your own GrooveFunnels. So first thing you need to do is go to this URL. If you haven't registered here, just go to register here page and register for the membership site. So the screen you're gonna see is going to be the video of me talking about this tutorial, and below my tutorial you're going to see this big button, Fast Start template. To get started, just click on the button. So this template is the same thing you might have gone through while you were registering for GrooveFunnels. So it works the same way the original page was working. So in order to clone it to your GrooveFunnels, what you need to do is right click, go to view page source, and then you're going to see this code here. Okay, so we're going to leave this tab open here, and then we're going to open GrooveFunnels. Actually, we have it here. So we will just log into GrooveFunnels. Now we're going to do this for one of our prospect, Linda Jane, and Dave will tell you about Linda Jane a bit more.
Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to demonstrate setting up the Fast Start template for our friend Linda Jane. She's one of the people who is registering for ShareAndLearn.com, and she's going to be sharing the free offer. So we're going to set up her template now, and if you just follow the steps, you will have your template set up as well.
Yeah, thanks, David. So as you might have noticed that I've logged in, and this is my dashboard, and if you log in with your GrooveFunnel, this is the screen you're going to see. Now you need to go to this button here, click it, and you're going to see all these menus. Now you need to go to Groove Pages. You can open it here or you can open it in a new tab. I'm going to open it in a new tab. So when the Groove page is loaded, you're going to see this screen. So there's nothing we have created yet, so it's empty. If you have tried to experiment with it already, you might see something here, but the procedure is same for everyone. So all you need to do is go to new site and click it. Now you can stay on single pages, and you have to go to start from scratch. Now you have to give your site a name. So the name is going to appear This tab has a name Fast Start Template. This is the same name that is going to come from here. So that name is going to come from here. We name it just Home and click Start Building. When the page is fully reloaded, you see the screen. Just make sure you click this icon and all icons are pink. This is for the responsiveness of the page. Now you need to find this icon, which is really obviously at the top, and you have to click it. And if you're clicking on it for the first time, you might see a warning. So you can just ignore that warning and proceed anyway, because that warning would be applicable if you had anything on the page. So since this is an empty page, there's nothing we can break. Okay. So once you are on this editor, you need to go to the tab we opened previously that has this code. The best and easiest way to copy this code is press Ctrl and A. This selects the whole code, and then you can right click on the code and hit copy. Now the whole code is copied, and you come back to the tab where you have opened the code editor in GrooveFunnels, and then you have to right click and hit paste. So simple copy paste process, nothing complicated. All right, so this error is going to appear oftenly, but it's not something that you should be worried about. It's just a bug. As you know, GrooveFunnels is currently in beta, so you just have to click clear. And it will go away. It might come again later. No matter how many times it comes, you just have to press clear. That's it. So, and now you have to scroll all the way up where you find this line, replace URL here. Now the importance of replacing this line, this URL, which is in the quotes, is very crucial. It's really crucial to just replace it with the with your affiliate link, and Dave will explain why it is really important.
Yeah, thanks, Nauman. This affiliate link here is the unique identifier that enables GrooveFunnels to know when you send a prospect to GrooveFunnels. So when you share the free plan, GrooveFunnels will look at this link and it will say, oh, this is the person that sent this person to the website, so that's the person we're going to pay a commission to if they upgrade. So it's really important that you copy and paste your unique URL over the URL that you see here.
Yeah. So remember, we had this page open. We left it open, and we opened the Groove pages into a new tab. That was for a reason, so we could just later come to Groove Affiliate Program. So this is the button you need to look for. Click on this Groove Affiliate Program button. So when this page is loaded, just scroll down a bit and make sure your name is here, okay, and not anyone else. So because the links that you're going to copy are going to be affiliated with this person, and the commission and profit is going to go to that person who is here, okay? So it's really important that you make sure that's your name. You go to links, and then this first link is the link that you need to look for, and then just copy it from here. Successfully copy to your clipboard, or you can just do it manually by like this, okay? So we have copied the affiliate link, and we need to go to our code editor. And remember, we highlighted this URL here. You just need to look for this line, replace URL here. You don't need to actually paste the URL here, but you have to paste it in between the quotes. So be careful not to remove the quotes. So this is how it should look like before you paste it. So yeah, like I said that it's going to come oftenly, so we can just clear it and then we click between the quotes, and either you can press Control V, that will paste the link there, or you can just do it with mouse and right click paste. So the link is there. Now this is your affiliate link, and any profit that you make or commission you make is going to come to you. So next thing we want to do is just hit save. Simple as that.
Okay, so here we are on the template, and we've now copied the Fast Start template onto your GrooveFunnels account. So what we need to do now is personalize it with your particular details. Now, in this example, we're doing it for Linda Jane. So we just go to where my name is, David Mollet, and we replace it with Linda Jane. And also the rest of the introductory sentence finishes with, and you either know me through business as a friend, or we have connected on social media or LinkedIn. Now, a lot of people have LinkedIn, it's their professional profile. So they'll want to put their LinkedIn here so people know and can go to LinkedIn and have a look at their profile. So we're going to put Linda Jane's LinkedIn URL here.
Yeah, in order to put the URL, you just have to double click in case you haven't noticed it, how I started the editing. You just have to come hover over the text box and you click only once, and then this thing appears, and then you click again just once, then the cursor starts blinking, and then you can do it like backspace and add whatever you want to. And after that you have to if you want to add the hyperlink, just while the cursor is blinking, double click on that word where you want to add the hyperlink, and then you go to this anchor button. You click this, you find your URL that you want to paste, the link you want people to go to, and you hit enter. Simple as that. And after you have done it, just hit cross here. Okay, so that's it, that's done. Our LinkedIn is
Okay, and one more thing. If you don't have a LinkedIn profile, I would suggest that you just delete all LinkedIn in the text there and just put a full stop after social media. So as I was saying, this free Fast Start template, it gives people context. It says, hi, my name's Linda Jane, and you either know me through business as a friend or we've connected on social media. So they know who it is that's introducing them, and they get an introduction now of why you're introducing them. I'm super excited to be sharing this free website hosting and training offer with you, because it's one of those rare opportunities in life where everybody wins. And then it goes on to explain what's in the free offer and why you're sharing it with them. It's really important to give them this context, and when you give it to them personally, it makes them more confident to proceed. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is just replace my photo with Linda's photo, because what people are going to want to see to feel comfortable is a photo of the person that they know that's introducing them. Now, if you're someone who gets really hung up about photos, well, you can leave my photo in there, but it's going to be a lot better for you if you replace my photo with a photo of your own. Nauman, can you show them how to do that?
Yeah, so in order to replace the photo, it's really simple. That was an intended click, so you have to just click on the photo, and then you go to configure, choose image, upload image, and then just explore it in your computer and select it and open. So you're gonna see these three icons. Just click the upload one, and it will upload the photo to your GrooveFunnels. Now it will be saved there forever. So you can build pages in future, and you will find this photo still there. Okay. So to be sure which photo is going to be added to the page, just look here. So if this photo is selected, that means that this will be added to the page. When this is selected, this is appearing here, and you can just click select, and then you can click update. So we have successfully replaced the photo. We have migrated the template. Everything is working. Now, don't forget to hit save, so you don't lose your progress in case you accidentally close your tab or close your browser. So the next thing we're gonna do is publish this page. So what we can do is go to this arrow here. Don't click on the button, click on the arrow. Now you probably wanna host your website with GrooveFunnels because it's free. If you want to host it on your own domain like www.yourbusiness.com, you can do that as well, but it's a bit complicated procedure, and we will cover it at a later stage. So we're gonna host it with GrooveFunnels for now, which is really easy. So currently you can see change Groove pages subdomain. Maybe for your case, we are saying this message because we have already created a subdomain, which is move.groovepages.com. So move is the only subdomain, and that is the domain that you're going to get as well. So you might see create Groove Pages subdomain instead of change Groove Pages subdomain, but since we're seeing this, let's try to click on that. You can enter your favorite domain name or maybe your business name. They will guide you on
Yeah,
this.
actually, I'll just mention something here. So when you join GrooveFunnels, you'll have a reason or an idea as to why you wanted the free website. So mostly it's going to be for business. So I would actually create a subdomain that had something to do with your business name. So in my case, I use ClickCart for click campaigns. So in this case, we've selected Move for Linda. That's one of her brands. So we're just going to set that now. If you set that, Nauman.
Yeah. So for Linda, we're going to use Move, but if we enter something that's really obvious, people might have taken it already. So it could be anything like, let's say, test. Let's see what happens if we enter test and hit set. So sometimes nothing happens, or sometimes an error message is displayed that the subdomain is already taken. So see, subdomain unavailable, which means it's already taken. So we will just secure our subdomain, which is move, and set it. So our subdomain is set, and we want to check this box. Okay, so host your site with us. Don't forget to check this. Now we need to enter the name of the page, which is going to be just like this. So this template is the name of the page, and this ClickCart is the subdomain. So whatever we enter here is going to appear just like this, right? Yeah. Right. So let's say we call it.
Now, I'm just going to suggest that I'd put my name there as the subdomain. Because then it's again, it's reinforcing that it's yours. People know you, and so you're sending them an invitation. So it's good to have your name there.
Yeah, no, it's really better if you use the name. So let's put Linda Jane here, okay? So like you can see, as we type in here, this URL keeps building. So now it says Linda Jane, but it's not published yet, and you won't be able to access this. So what you need to do now is hit publish and wait for a green alert. Remember, whenever you do some operation, you need to wait for a green alert so that we know that operation is completed. So it says site publish in progress, changes go live within a few minutes, but may take longer. So usually it's really fast, and it doesn't take even minutes. It's done under a minute, but Maybe in exceptional circumstances, it might take a bit more than that. So we're going to copy this link, or maybe just right click, open link in new tab, and there goes the link. And there we have our template, fast start template migrated, and it's fully functional and you don't have to do anything else. Now let's take a scenario that you have marketed it and shared it with your friend, and they want to sign up. So all they need to do is come here and enter their email address. Let's say Norman, and get the free plan now. So what it's gonna do is now redirect them to the affiliate URL that you had copied from here, and redirect them to this page. As you can see, it has an affiliate ID in the URL, right? So it's up to them if they want to go through the whole page or whatever they do. But let's just say that they want to sign in. They want to sign up for GrooveFunnels, and this is the free plan one. Okay, so they click Get Started, and now, as you can see, referrer Linda Janeway. So Linda Janeway, it's not David Molay. So if you had failed to replace the affiliate URL, it would have been saying referrer David Molay, because it would be using the old affiliate URL. So
okay, all right. So just a couple of comments here. So what Nauman's done now is stepped you through the entire process. Now, it really is quite simple, and if you just hit the play and pause button, you should be able to get through this and set it up. Even if you really are unfamiliar with websites, we'll produce a little document that can also step you through this. But if you really think to yourself, look, I don't want to do this, like I've bought the website, I just want to get started sharing and I want to do it as quickly as I can, we can actually set this up for you, as Nauman has just set this up for Linda. So what you'll find is we'll put a little link underneath the video on the Share Earn Learn page, and it will say something like, could you please set this up for me? And if you click on that link, you can go and make a small payment, and then we'll set this up for you so you don't have to worry about it. If it's something that you just feel too nervous to do for yourself, or you don't want to do for yourself, or you don't have the time to do for yourself, well, we'll do it for you. That wraps up this video. You're also going to find there's a fast start template, a fast start plan, which gives you steps to follow to share the website with others. And there's also going to be Zoom calls that Nauman and I are going to do each week to answer any questions you have as you're using the software for the first time. If you're having some technical issues, we're going to have a technical call each week, so Nauman will be able to answer your questions on those calls. And if you're having questions about how you want to use the software to promote your own business, as a lot of people are going to want to use this fantastic software to get more leads and sales for their core business, then you can ask me questions on the marketing call. We'll be having one of those each week, and we'll do our very best to answer all your questions, get you started, and get you using this. Looking forward to seeing you on the Zoom calls. And as I said before, if you need a hand to get this set up, just click the link below the video and you can just make a payment and we'll set this up for you. Thank you. Bye.